When OnePlus launched the OnePlus 7 this year, it launched 3 different phones, the OnePlus 7, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. Today we're going to do a speed test G on the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, we've got the OnePlus 7 on the left-hand side, we've got the OnePlus 7 Pro on the right-hand side, and the tests are now under the way. Sorting test looking pretty much even there on both devices, but the OnePlus 7 has gone into the 2048 test before the OnePlus 7 Pro, so the OnePlus 7 Pro was slower during that blur test. Now that means it already has a little bit of a lead over its brother. Let's see what happens as this test goes on further. We're now into the bloom test. Coming up next is the SQL Lite test. I'm expecting both devices to do it basically the same. There we go. Yeah, not too lightningly fast, but not too shabby either. Both devices roughly the same, but OnePlus 7 still in the lead over the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, it's worth mentioning at this point that the OnePlus 7 runs in full HD natively with a 60Hz display, and the OnePlus 7 Pro runs natively in quad HD with a 90Hz display. So those are the settings that I'm using, the default settings you get out of the box. Now, if you think that the 90Hz is going to make any difference to the frame rate, please watch my video on this channel about the 90Hz displays and how they really work. And we're now into the Unity test, and as we're into the Unity test, we can see there on the screen the difference in the screen resolutions. So clearly the OnePlus 7 Pro is pushing more pixels, but yet they both have the same processor, so we would expect the OnePlus 7 Pro to be slower once we get through this Unity test. And the one on the left, the OnePlus 7, is now coming down to the castle scene. It's clearly ahead of the OnePlus 7 Pro. We're now into the compression test. 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 1 minute and 32.5 seconds. As I say that, the OnePlus 7 Pro is now into the compression test. There it is. 9, 10. There we go. 1 minute 40.1. Okay, let's break down the scores. Okay, so as you can see, the CPU time between the two was very, very similar. 25.9 for the OnePlus 7, 26.1, just 0.2 of a second difference there for the OnePlus 7 Pro. When we get into the mixed, again, a very, very similar situation, 38.3 and 39.8. However, when we get to the GPU, we can see a huge difference here, and this is because of the Full HD versus Quad HD. 28.3 seconds for the OnePlus 7 and 34.1 seconds for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So there you have it. My name is Gary Sims. This is Gary Explains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and well, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.